let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah. Oh, no. Wait, do you hear that? Yeah. Oh my gosh. What is this? Feels like slime.
Can I feel that?
Oh! Whoa, Kiran, look at all the slime! Where is it coming from? Wait,
I hear jumping.
I know, me too. What is that?
I don't know.
Is that Slimer? I got slimed. Help me get up, Kiran. Hello everyone, you are back with Kiran and I, where today we are going to be making the slime that Slimer slimed me with, and I still can't believe that he actually slimed me. Like, I know that's not what you see every day, but man, I had to take a shower and everything. So here's the type of slime that we're gonna be making. It's pretty squishy, as I can show you. Oh, gosh. So here, look at this, guys. Oh! Oh, that's sticky. Oh no! Look at my hand, guys. So let me show you how to make this slime. So in order to make the slime, we will be using these ingredients. So we have Arm & Hammer baking soda right here. We have contact lens solution, and we have Elmer's 5-ounce pack of clear glue. Remember to buy the contact lens solution that has the boric acid in it. So for every 5 ounces of glue, you need a half a cup of warm water and also half a teaspoon of baking soda. And you need to stir until it's dissolved. Do you need help with yours, Kiran? Oh no. And you don't want chunks in your teaspoon either. Okay, now we stir until it's dissolved. So we have a container right here that we're going to use to hold our glue. So you just pour all of the glue in here. Go! That's a funny sound. Kiran, here, there you go. That's better. Now you want to get every single drop of it. Okay, so that's good. Now, once you've got all of your glue out, you pour your baking soda and warm water with your glue, and then you start mixing. And we have a spatula here, so that's what we're gonna be using to mix with. And you wanna keep stirring until everything is nicely mixed together. So this is what it should look like when the liquids are thoroughly mixed. Now it's time to add the contact lens solution, which has boric acid in it. And remember, just pour a little bit in at a time and keep stirring. So I'm just gonna pour in a little bit. Just put about like 10 drops. Now keep on stirring. The boric acid in the contact lens solution causes a reaction with the baking soda and the glue to make it thicker. Be patient and keep on stirring and slowly add the contact lens solution. Then it'll get thick like this. Look at this, guys. It's getting really gooey. It's like a spider web. You see how it's still sticking to the bowl? So that means we have to add more contact lens solution. And you don't want your slime to be sticking to the bowl. So now that it's pulling away from our container, that means it's pretty much done. So if it's pulling away from the container, just touch it. And if it's like sticking to your hands, like a lot, that means you still need to add some more contact solution. And now we're at the point where we have to use our hands because the spatula isn't working anymore. So you need to mix it up with your hands. There you go. Need to reach that. Now let's add a little bit and a little bit. And let's stir. Ah! Oh no! Now this has come together pretty good. And check this out. Hello.
Hello, how you doing? Hello, banana. Mama, this is banana.
So as you can see, it's not quite clear, it's a little cloudy. That's because there are air bubbles in it. And this is how you get the air bubbles out. So you put it in a container, then you put on the lid because you don't want it to dry out. And you leave it overnight for a day or two, and all the air bubbles should be out. And in order to color our slime, we're going to be using this. So we have some food coloring here. Kiran's showing some food coloring also. And here's some more food coloring. We have some glitter. And we also have some glitter gravel. And these make pretty good maracas. Which one are you? Oh, you already have yours. I think I'm gonna do some red. So all you need is a couple little drops. Okay. So you just need a couple of little drops. Oh no! I need a towel.
Look at mine. Look at mine.
There we go. Now all you need to do is you just keep on folding it like this. Just keep on folding it and then squeeze it like this. And then you want no white at all. So we have our glitter here and we have some scissors, so let's open the glitter.
I already opened.
Yeah, Kiran opened his. I just opened mine. Now, you just need a little bit, guys. You don't need to overload it. About that much. Now we're going to put it to the side. And you want to just dip your fingers in it, then just tap all over the place. Or you could just do this. You can't? Do you want me to do it for you? So you just want just like a big pile. Get your fingers all in it, then just spread it out, okay? There you go. Let's move this off to the side. Now let's do it. So we have 5 different slimes here. We have green, yellow, blue, clear, and red. And what's your favorite, Kiran? The red? Mine too. Well, I like all of them except for the green because we have rocks in the green and the rocks just sink to the bottom and they just fall out when you play with the slime and it's just a whole bunch of mess. This slime was actually pretty cool and I hope that you have good luck making your own slime. It's pretty fun once you make it, and it's even funner once you add glitter and all those accessories. And I hope that you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section down below on how your slime went. And we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!